So good evening everyone. Let's start our first activity for the day. It is about expressing ourselves. So I will share one pamphlet with you where some of the items are listed and you have to frame sentences about yourself. You are sagacious enough, so I shall proceed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Prashar.
Able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, expressing yourself. I
Yeah.
think.
So this is
Okay.
about analyzing and introspecting yourselves. There are some phrases written like I dream about, I think about. So each of us will go one by one and complete the sentences till the last one. I love it when.
Prashal, please repeat what is the game.
I have shared you this template where there are some sentences like I dream about, I think about. So each of us will go one by one and we will complete these phrases about ourselves. Like I dream about this, then I think about this. We have to tell about ourselves with these phrases.
Okay.
Have you got it,
Nice
everyone?
game.
Yes, we got it. It is like scrapbook. Slam book, sorry.
Yeah, slam book.
Yeah, slam.
Are you saying? So who is starting? Starting for the game?
Please don't close that. How will see that?
I just who is starting.
Prashal gave 2 minutes. 2 minutes to look on like what is there. Then we will give our names.
We have to learn that means or this.
Like you saying, Sakshi?
This was a spontaneous game शायद मतलब कि
Yeah. This is like what we say fastest finger. You have to be quick about this. Okay.
Means
Okay, then I am
without look,
start.
Okay.
without
Wait.
looking.
Wait. No. No. Okay. I will. I am going first to be clear to others. Okay. So I am starting.
Nahi, we
I
understood. Like I
yeah,
dream
we have
about
understood.
this.
Yes,
I
Yeah.
dream about.
you just have to complete the sentences.
yes. Yes, about ourselves. Now, so yeah.
Okay. After Akansha, I'll speak.
Okay.
Okay,
So
then I am
Then Archie,
starting.
I will
I
speak.
dream about living a luxurious life, having lots of car, big bungalow, lots of servants, and bus. I think about having a nice society where I can live like happily, peacefully. Matlab it will be more better to live. Today's is not matlab, there is no humanity in today's society, so I think about a good society. I am afraid of failures sometimes. Like I think like I will fail, so I don't try it. I'm interested in adventurous games. On the weekend, I like to, like, first I will relax myself. I will sleep. Then I will go on a long ride, or I will enjoy a coffee during a sunset. This I'm good at I'm good at drawing little bit. I'm not good at dancing. I'm glad when I can easily get glad. I don't know this. I'm glad when my if my some wish is fulfilled. I am sad when I am sad when I try to do good, but nobody appreciate. या फिर it does not happen like I want to do that way. It does not happen. I don't believe I believe in ghosts. I don't believe in I don't know this. I don't believe
I know the Parki's answer. My answer.
I don't believe in Aramde. I believe in everything. I
अरे you
believe
don't
in
believe
luck.
in arranged marriage बोलते
Okay, I don't believe in arranged marriage. I have difficulty with strangers, unknown person sometimes. I laugh when I'm with friends. I cry when uh, I can cry on any situation. I get angry when I get angry when my brother is not listening to me or someone don't listen to me. I love it when all the things are going according to me. I love it. Done.
Okay, wow.
Wow, Akanksha.
You are so
Nice.
great. And so who is going next? I think Parky.
Yes, okay, now my turn.
Till Parkya, I will go.
ठीक है, may I start?
Yeah,
Yes.
start.
Yes.
Okay, I dream about becoming millionaires. I think about
थोड़े पैसे हमें भी
I think about I think about what strategy I can apply for become a millionaire. I'm afraid of losing people. I'm interested in like trying different things, learning new things. Okay. On the weekends, I like to have fun and do some different kinds of activities. I'm good at I'm good at I'm good at convincing people. I'm not good at I am not good at cooking and in household work. I'm not at all good in that works. Okay, I'm glad when people appreciate me. I'm sad when Sugandha scolds me. I don't believe in superstitious talk and people superstitions talk and also those unwanted activities in the name of God and all. I don't believe them. I have difficulty with difficulty with I have difficulty with the difficulty. I have difficulty with what? I have difficulty with learning things about means I have difficulty with difficulty in learning and learning cooking and all things means how I don't like household work and that is very arduous task for me. Okay, I laugh when I'm with my friends. I cry when someone scolds me. I get angry when some people do nonsense things without using mind. I get very angry then, and I love it when everything happens according to me, and when people appreciate me. That's all.
Wow.
Done.
Okay, now my turn.
Sorry, I want my turn, please. I
My
want to
turn.
say.
No, I have said first. So
No, I have already said that after Parki I will go.
When Parky I said after the Kancha, then I have said that I will do after Parky. I will do.
Cat fight.
Let's have
Ask
cat
to
fight.
host. Sugandha Nila is right. She said first.
Okay, you go.
Wait, I am she.
Now Sugandha is sad.
Yes.
I got one of my head.
I can say I am sad when people don't listen
Yes,
to me.
I actually wrote this. I'm going to say this only.
Okay. I dream about a successful life. Means I have a big house and big dog. I think about my future. I am afraid of being cheated on. I am
Oh, who will keep you? Oh,
no one has cheated me, but yeah, I am afraid of this. I am in,
the house.
I am interested, I am interested in I am interested in making in MS Office, making those prints and all. I like that. On the weekend, I like to sleep. I am good at dancing. I am not good at singing. Literally, I am not good at singing. I am glad when uh, when everything is going, means everyone is speaking me very politely, and no one is scolding me, and in my home my brother is fighting with me and he just make fun of me, man, means we are just playing. So I am glad that I am sad when my mother and brother both scold me and I used to sit in the corner of my bed, and yeah, I am sad that I don't such talks like I am not like others and all, means fake talks. I have difficulty with those people who don't think as me, means they are opposite as me. So I am having so much difficulty with sitting with them and talking with them. I laugh. I laugh all the time. I laugh yeah, I laugh all the time. I cry when I easily cry. Means if someone had just said me don't do this, I used to cry that time only. I get angry. I get angry when no one listen me. No one is at my point, and and yeah, I get angry that time. I love it I love when I am with good people, mean like my friends and all. I love that time. And
For example, we people.
yes, for example, you people. Yes. I
Nice. So honest.
Now we know many things about you.
Yes,
Yes.
and especially that
Okay,
cheated one.
okay, now my turn. Okay.
now Sugandha.
Yes.
Okay. I dream about becoming an actor.
Oh my God.
Yeah, yeah. Please, Sugandha, give audition in our dramatics club. We will take you.
For sure. I think about food. I'm afraid of losing my parents. I'm interested in gossip. Okay. On the weekends, I like to go out and having fun with friends. I am good at everything, or some managing skills you can say. I'm not good at I'm not good at math. I am glad I'm glad when someone gives me attention and care. Uh, I am sad when people don't listen to me. I don't believe I don't believe in ghosts.
Okay.
I have difficulty with chit chatting with many people on the same time. I laugh when someone cracks a joke. Okay. I cry when I cry when I cry over small things. I can cry when I got angry. I get angry when I get angry. It is the same thing. I get angry because people don't listen me. I love it when everyone appreciates me. That's it.
Okay, Sugandha.
Okay, Sugandha. We will appreciate you now. You have done very well.
And she gets
Thank
angry.
you.
That
Thank you.
okay, so who is left? Shika?
Yeah,
Vartika.
okay. I'm starting. I dream about earning बहुत सारा पैसा and spending it in clothes and getting a good phone, iPhone. I think about hanging out with my friends, traveling, clicking photos, making Snapchats like influencer used to do. I'm afraid of I'm afraid of dark. I am interested in I am interested in boys. ऐसा वो आता नहीं था
K2.
Facebook में it's option.
K2.
I am no there is an option in Facebook. You are interested in boys or girls. I am interested in boys. I'm interested in doing adventurous task, irritating someone. On the weekend, hang out with my friends. I am good at stalking. I am not good at.
Very good.
I am not good at
Vartika
giving
is very good
sarcastic
at
replies. I am glad when people compliments me. I am sad when my 100% data is used and I have nothing to do. I don't believe in soulmates. खाली बोल दिया लाइन आ रही है मुझे यहाँ पे. I have difficulty with expressing myself in front of people. I laugh every time, especially when it's a serious moment. I cry when I have fights with my friends. I get angry when somebody tries to humiliate me. I love it when I'm with my family and friends. That's it.
Now Prashal's turn.
Right. Okay, I am doing fastly. I dream about being a very self-independent girl, getting handsome job, earning खूब सारा पैसा. I think about impossible things like getting free surprises, gifts, etc., etc. Then I am afraid of dogs, and animals. I am interested in learning things and doing faltu pranks and etc. etc. On the weekends, I like to travel, eat some food, or make some guests come to my house, or I go somewhere. Then I am good at lame, giving fancy advices, cracking lame jokes, and
You are good at
Parthi, mute yourself.
not
Voice
able
is
to
coming.
listen. You are good at
I am good at cracking lame jokes, giving faltu advices to others, and insulting others. And then I am
true.
not good in any talent, in any sort of talent. Then I am glad when people praise me, give me feedbacks, and I am the cynosure of some topic. And some guests come to my home, some अच्छे guests. and somebody calls me when. I am sad when some bad things happen or I overthink sometimes or then I miss some things. Then I don't believe in ghosts and only in ghosts. Then I have difficulty with raising my concerns and opinions. I laugh when nothing is funny. I always laugh when everything is serious. I cry when there is nothing to cry. I can cry on on funny matters also. I get angry when listen to me at all. Then I love it when everything is getting happy around and we are united or something is very funny and occasional happening in my home.
We will make you believe in that ghost. Okay, Prashil?
Okay. I am
We have many stories of ghosts. है ना पार्की? We will
Yes,
make
yes.
her believe in ghosts.
Yeah, Prashar, I've seen ghost even. You come along with me, I'll ask ghost to meet
I
you.
also don't believe in ghosts.
You said that you become glad when somebody calls you. Who is that somebody? We want to know that.
because nobody calls me, so
Who is that somebody?
I get way too much excited when there is an unknown calling me. I think about who must be it, who must be it. Okay,
What I was thinking, one day we'll have ghost party when we will come back hostel. Okay,
We will do makeup of ghost. Black लगा लेंगे.
अरे वो नहीं होता white color, we'll have that white color blanket on our head and we'll wear goggles.
Yes, एक वीडियो आई थी.
Yeah, I'll send her.
Yes.
She might be knowing.
We will do that. We will make a video.
Yes.
do Halloween nights also.
Yes.
Okay.
There is a particular date for Halloween, na? Yeah.
Yes. There is a day.
31st October शायद.
Okay, so let's start with GD round now. Time is 5:48 and the topic is it good to privatize public sectors?
Yes.
Neha, please
Yes.
start the recording once again then.